It gets to a point where in forex trading now you don't have to use indicators because they do disappoint, and the only thing you can do, guys, is basically relying on the naked charts to analyze your market. Okay, right on my chart right here, guys, as you can see, there is a formation of a double top right there. Not only an M formation, guys, this is a formation of what we call a higher high. It has not been broken above. Then there is a creation of what we call a lower high. Okay, so simply because this leg right here did not break above this one, so most traders will think there is a probability of this market proceeding to the downside. So guys, as I show you how to analyze the market, I want to show you as well how patience can really make you profitable in forex trading. You can be able to actually understand the whole concept of this formation right here, and for sure you can be able to tell it's a double top, and therefore you wait for a break of a neckline, then you start executing your sell order. But I can tell you for free, guys, this is not yet confirmed, simply because, guys, the price has to show you it is going to proceed to the downside. Once it breaks below this neckline, not only that neckline, it has as well to break below this crucial level right here. Let me draw them, guys, so that you can really understand what I'm talking about. Simply because if these levels are not broken, nothing is going to work for us, and we're basically going to blow our account successively. Okay, so guys, instead of basically struggling to understand what is happening, highlight or rather understand the levels that price has a probability of reacting to, and that is basically what I've drawn on my purple line. Simply because even if you've seen the probability of this market really heading to the downside, we really have as well to understand what is gonna happen next. Okay, so are you going to execute your sell order right here, or are you going to execute your buy order right here? I can say for sure right now I'm very blank, simply because these two levels hasn't or at any given point been broken below to really convince me to continue taking my sell order. Even if they're broken below, guys, we'll wait for a retest, simply because we need to see as well price rejecting these levels so that we can see a probability of really proceeding to the downside. And there is a probability as well candlestick can close below this and they end up being rejected closing above, and once they're done like that, guys, you can see a potential reversal to the upside. That is what we're basically supposed to pay attention to for us to actually execute our trade. So that is what I want you to keep in mind. And now that we have the live market, we have everything without using any indicator, using the pure knowledge we have, we can basically see the results that we have right now. So guys, the formation of the next candlestick pattern or the formation of the two candlestick pattern, they're going to direct us the direction we're going to take our trade. So guys, let's see. So guys, as you can look right here, you can see for sure these candlestick patterns at any given point dropped up to this level right here, right there, but it has closed above this level right here. So once it is done like that, our formation of a double top is now formed. We're not going to rely on it again. We're not going now to think of selling, simply because it has already been thwarted, and now we really have to see what is going to happen next. Okay, so in this kind of a market, if traders really executed their sell order right here, you could have really made losses. You can see the market really reversed, and let's say you executed your sell order right here waiting for a pullback. You can see it broke above the level, and now it is at this level right here. So your sell could have gone back to losses if you were not scalping, because you can see, guys, there is no candlestick pattern that has closed below this level right here to show us a potential push to the downside. So at this given point as well now, because we are now out of depending on this level right here, what you're going to pay attention to is what now is currently happening at this given point. So what you're going to do again, so these levels over here, they're very important. We have this level right here, and that's where we have this high right here, and therefore those are the levels that now we're going to pay attention to for us to determine whether we are going to take our buy order, or rather this will become a consolidation. You understand? And so guys, what you're going to do right about now, for us to execute our buy order at any given point, price has to break above and close above my top line. If it happens to close below, guys, I will consider this invalid simply because it has not been confirmed yet. But for me to execute my trades, I'm going to pay attention on my high that I've drawn, or rather my top line over here. Candlestick has to close above it, break above it for I to execute our buy order. And so guys, because we have the live market over here, let's see what is going to happen right about now, so that we can see whether we are going to consider executing our buy order. Hopefully guys, it is not going to consolidate. Therefore guys, you can see this candlestick pattern has really shown the potential push to the upside. The buyers are really in control guys. The pressure of buyers is basically increasing in the market. So right here, it has already broken above it, but therefore being rejected simply because of this level right here. So we really have to know as well what is going to happen. And I have a feeling this market is gonna buy. The pressure that we have in the market right now, this market is basically going to buy. Even when you don't have indicators guys, this can basically work best for you, okay? This market is basically going to buy. And so guys, I want to see what is going to happen. This took longer than expected, but because this is a video, we are trying to shorten it so that you guys can see what happened later on. And therefore, a retest, you can see price is actually trying to break below. Buyers are now trying to take over. There we go. And now we can see the price is basically to the upside. Just right there. And yes, that is how we use the market to execute our trades. And as you can see guys, price is really reacting to the lines that you've drawn. This is not your ordinary support and resistance levels that you know. It's good you basically pay attention. It is important you actually learn how to draw them because they're very important. So if you executed your buy order right here, you could have made like you over 200 pips. There is a lot of money. This is 30 minutes time frame. You can be able to make money. You can be able to really be profitable when executing your trade this way without using any indicator, but paying attention on where candlestick are actually closing it, and patience. Okay, so guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Don't forget to like this video as well. A lot more is coming guys, and the only thing you really have to do is sticking around, turning on your notification bar, and guys, you're going to really learn more from this channel. So what do I say guys? Bye bye. I'll definitely see you in my next video.
Listen traders, before you make any big mistake, like paying for that expensive course, try reading this book first. This is basically what you are going to be taught by your mentor. In fact, not even everything. If you are a beginner and you have learnt only basics, don't dare funding your Forex account because you will not like the results. This book will introduce you to another side of Forex trading because you cannot like forever buy at support and sell at resistance. This book comprises of everything you need to know about smart money concepts and price action, and everything is explained simply. Grab your copy at $10 only and it will save you from a lot rather than paying for now. If you want to kick off your Forex journey, WhatsApp this number to order your copy. First come, first serve.